What's up, bratans? We should be right now live. Relief rally is not over, in my opinion, and I show you exactly why I think the relief rally is not over. So let's go right now in the charts here. And yes, okay, here I tried to configure the live stream for you, bratans. But let us quickly start with the relief rally. So why I'm so confident that the relief rally will continue? I'm so confident because of not only because we potentially forming here double bottom, but I will show you also in a second another indicator. We forming here a double bottom potential. This double bottom is only working out in case we are breaking here this line at 24,820. So the price target would be here perfectly. It would perfectly match with our weekly and monthly resistance here, you see, at around 27,500. According to this W, we would reach even 28k, right? Let's see. It's only valid if we are breaking here this weekly resistance at approximately 20, let's say 25k. I mean, it's easier. So what is very important, like I always tell you, I mean, from here on it's around 70% long opportunity, right? But be careful, make safe or make sure that your stop loss is below 20k. 20k is a big psychology border, so make sure you're below 20k and below the weekly support, right? Very, very important, because if we are watching here on the 4-hourly right now, bratans, then we see on the 4-hourly we are bouncing here between the 20 moving average. I zoom in, I show you exactly. Between the 20 moving average, this red line, you see here, this red line, and this 200 moving average, this blue line. For sure, for our, like I always tell you the last days, for our professional day and hourly trader, in case we are breaking here this blue line 22,900, we can short to the daily support to 21,700 or even to 21,300. 7% short opportunity. However, I wouldn't do this right now because, like I told you at the start, the relief rally is not over, in my opinion. And even if we are going down here to the levels of this daily support 21,700, 21,300, this would be even a bigger opportunity for a long, in my opinion. I mean, amazing. If we're going to 21,300, then we have an upside even of 29%. And why I'm so sure, bratans, let me quickly go here. You hear me, right? You hear me. Amazing. Very nice. Much love from Italy. I kiss you, bratan. I read a lot of your comments. So why I'm so confident? Because if we are going right now and watching, let us start with the S&P 500. S&P 500, I know a lot of you watching my videos regularly. And if we are going to S&P 500, this is one of the leading indicator, as I'm always tell you here. Wait a minute, what's happening here? I go to the daily right now and fuck, this is not the daily, blood. This is 1 minute. So we are going here to the daily right now. And we see here, we broke, like I always tell you, since months, we broke here this weekly resistance, right? You see here this weekly resistance, we broke it. I mean, it's not a weekly, it's even a 1 year resistance from December 2021. And right now we see perfect, you see here a bounce on this white line. I mean, for sure, we could see here break down to the downside, but considering all the other indicators, not only that we're forming a double bottom on the Bitcoin price, not only that S&P 500 bouncing here on this support line, but I have another indicator which I want to show you in a second, bratans, because you see the probability that we see here bounce is very, very likely, because this is a massive resistance line which turned into a support line, right? This is one thing, so therefore we're expecting it. And I mean, beside all of that, we see also here the RSI is oversold, right? So I mean, everything speaks here for a bounce on the S&P 500. S&P 500 is the leading indicator for crypto. If S&P 500 bouncing here, we will see relief rally of the S&P 500. And if S&P 500 runs, then Bitcoin runs, because S&P 500 is leading indicator. In case we are breaking down this white line, obviously we see huge dump in the crypto price and in the S&P 500 and also in the crypto price. But now let's speak about the next indicator. You hear me? Everything is fine, right? Okay, everything is fine, bratans. So a massive indicator is our dollar DXY. You have to watch the dollar, because usually if in case, and now I'm zooming out, I mean, as soon we saw here the dollar breaking down here this massive massive support line, this red support line, I told you we see Bitcoin running, right? This was a moment when we saw the dollar drop, Bitcoin start to run. This was another massive, or this area, right, was another massive area which I told you, in case we are breaking it down, we see Bitcoin run. And we saw it breaking down and we saw Bitcoin run. Then we saw here bounce on this white line. You see it's a massive support line, support and resistance line. Here previous resistance, support, here support, right? And I told you, in case we see here a bounce, and we saw it, we see Bitcoin dropping. And we saw dollar is getting stronger, Bitcoin dropped, right? Right now. And this is what I wanted to see. We're getting here rejected in our green resistance area, you see. And what we are forming, we're forming a double top, right? So what is nice about it, a double top is bearish pattern. And if this works out as it seems right now, we will see the dollar dumping. And if the dollar dumps, we see Bitcoin pumping and running. So everything speaks for big relief rally to the upside. Everything speaks for that the relief rally is not over right now. And the price target for the relief rally, I told you, bratans, the price target for the relief rally is still, in my opinion, the biggest, clearest price target is for me here very clear. This is here our monthly and this is here our monthly and weekly resistance here at around 27,500, right? So very clear, at least 27,500. We have a potential even to go here. Wait a minute, I'm zooming out. We have a potential even to go here to around 35k. Why 35k? Because of this massive, and I speak in a second also about the bull run, because why it will be the biggest bull run in the history, and I'll show you also my trade in a second, so stay here with me, bratan. We see here this bounce on this support line here back in 2020. So it was a big support line, which turns right now into resistance line at 35k. It's very strong resistance. So I don't expect that we will go here in this relief rally higher than 35k. And why this is not the bull run, I explain you also. So, and on the one hand, we have the war in Ukraine. We have all these conflicts. We have that China will soon open, or I think they're starting right now already to open. What will happen? We will see much more increase, much more. The inflation will increase even more. We see Michael Burry, if you're watching my videos, you know Michael Burry also, Burry said also that we will see in Q3, Q4, we will see a spike in the inflation. And if we see a spike in inflation, what the Fed does, the Fed starting to increase the interest rate. And if they're increasing the interest rate, we see that the markets start to dump, right? So, therefore, this is not a bull run right now. This is a relief rally. And we saw exactly the same. History didn't repeat exactly, but history is similar, right? And we saw in the previous bull run, bear market, we had here this bull run, and then we saw a big dump, and then we saw relief rally to the upside, then another dump, and then a pump, right? So therefore, we are, in my opinion, in this phase right now. We are in this phase right now. And in the previous bear market, the relief rally was even 362%. And like I told you, I mean, people called me crazy. People shitted in my face when I told we will see Bitcoin again to 25k or even right now 35k, right? But, I mean, look at this. This is, bratans, like this guy who is writing law from Italy, you are watching my videos always, bratan. You know it. I told you. Even if we go to 35k, it's only 127% compared to the previous bull run, which was only compared to the previous bull run, which was 300%. 100% is 1/3. So it's nothing. It's nothing if we see go to 35k. So maximum we go to 35k, then we're getting rejected. We will see Bitcoin again going to around 16k, and then we could even see Bitcoin 7,500. Why it's 7,500? Let me zoom out for you, bratans, because this is a massive support line here. I mean, this is the absolutely maximum, because you see here, based on the past, we saw it was here a big resistance line. It turned to support. It would turn into support. So maximum, the absolute maximum pain could be Bitcoin at $8,000. Then we would see obviously Ethereum going to $400 or even $200. And I would like to see that Bitcoin dump to this price levels. Why? Because then we can all buy very, very cheap Bitcoin, Ethereum, FXS, Aave. Imagine what happens with FXS. They're getting destroyed. They're getting raped. You know what I mean? But it's just amazing. So we can buy it even cheaper. So right now, let us quickly go through why this will be the biggest bull market in the history of Bitcoin. And let me quickly here open another Bitcoin for you, another Bitcoin chart, which is clear. So let us open this one. Okay, where is it? Where is it? 1 second. BTC USD. Or okay. No, this one we have already open. Okay, let me go on this chart. Suka blad, what I draw here. Tell me what shit. Okay, let me open another one for you. 1 second. BTC USD. Okay, which one is this? Okay, let me open this one. No, this is another. Oh man, shit. Okay, 1 second. Oh, this is perpetual spot. Okay, maybe we are open here. This one. Okay, or this one. Not this one. No, this one. This is better. Okay. We see here. If we are watching here and we open here, oh, this one is not full. Okay, wait a minute, but I think it's still okay. I'm here on the live stream for you guys, so sorry for that. Suka blad, I could get very aggressive right now. Let me show you on. Okay, anyways, here's a little bit drawn, but I delete a little bit, then you still see it. Okay, why we will see the biggest bull run in the history? And the bull run, when will the bull run happen? The bull run will happen 2024, 2025. Why 2024, 2025? This is even if you see big people who are analyzing the market, the Wall Street and so on, 2025 we will see calm down. So the Fed will go down with the interest rates. So what they will start printing again. So we will have more money. So the institutions, everyone pulling money inside of crypto and the stock market, and we will see big bull run. And I have to be quick because here you see your mic will sleep soon. You see here now. Wait a minute here. So then therefore we have to be quick. So the biggest bull run we will see. Why? Because if we are opening here right now the RSI on the weekly, look at this, not on the weekly, not even on the weekly, we are opening on the monthly, and look what we see here, bratan. Look what we see here right now. We see here the RSI is going down while the price is going up. And this, ladies and gentlemen, bratans and bratinas, we see this on the monthly chart, right? We see this big, massive bullish divergence on the monthly chart. It not mean, obviously, that it will work out today or tomorrow, even though we are in a relief rally. But this, I expecting after the halving 2024, this we will see a massive, massive explosion of Bitcoin to levels of at least between what I have also insider big VCs which are telling that Bitcoin will go at least to 80K, but even to $160,000. Just imagine only Bitcoin, if we are going to see to $160,000, it would be 550%. I mean, just imagine, bratan. This is a lifetime changing opportunity. And what is very important, just imagine this is Bitcoin. We are watching coins like FXS. We are expecting FXS to go even to levels. I mean, right now in the relief rally, we are watching since $6. Since then, we made over 67%. Well, suka blad, wait a minute. But right now, in the bull run, we are expecting it even to go at least, this also from insider, it's not a guarantee, but it's very probable, the probability is very likely, to $100, 750%, or even the maximum, the absolute maximum high, they told me we could see even to $500. It would be 4,150%. Please do your own research. It's not a financial advice. You have to do your own research. It's your money, your responsibility. But also coins like Aave, this will be the absolute leaders of DeFi. Also, this is not a guarantee. Please do your own research. We are expecting that this will go to at least $1,000. This would be 1,300%, right? So, bratan, if you want more of these altcoins, hidden gems, and so on, you can join our Telegram group absolutely for free. Here you can trade also with other traders. I give my signals, right? Oh, wait a minute, you don't see it here. This group, right? Absolutely for free. And also, if you want to learn more about trading, or you want for beginners and advanced traders about crypto, about trading, you can get also absolute free trading course on my Discord channel. How to join it, bratans, I explain you right now. Please follow me here. This is very easy. Make a registration on Bybit here through my Bybit link. It's very easy, right? Create an account, 30 seconds. Deposit $500 on your Bybit account, and you get free access to my Discord and Telegram group, right? Very important. A lot of you asking me, oh, if I don't have, if I already registered on Bybit, blah, blah. I have also a group for more advanced traders, or for people who already have a registration on Bybit and cannot make a new account. You can join this Telegram group for more advanced professional traders. I wouldn't do it if you're not professional, if you're beginner. We have here a group created where we're making, for example, we are analyzing, for example, here, wait a minute, where was it? We posted today. Analyze of, here, of this crypto project, Numeraire, I don't know how to pronounce, Numeraire. This is also an e-project where I invested in. It's not, I'm not paid by them, and I'm not also in a private round. It's just a project where I did my research and where my team did research. And it's not like here where it's only some sentence. In the professional group, where you find the link here down below, right, in the Telegram group, please only go through the links which are here in the description. You can find really a whole PDF with 6-7 pages where we are going through the whole team. We are analyzing the whole team. We are analyzing the connection to other companies. And very important, this is also not a financial advice. You still have to do your own research. So what we do here in this paid group, I mean, this group is for free, right? Which I showed you. This group is for free, this one. But there's another group which is paid, which it's only $30. We will increase it to $100. But in this private group, you get also trading courses with a teacher, like here, live stream, where you can ask questions. It's a real class, 1 to 2 times a week. And we have another teacher which is teaching you trading, crypto trading, and you can also ask them how to trade in the chat live. It's even not a chat, you see each other. So if you want to join it, it's only for 1 month for $30, and then we will increase to $100, because obviously I'm creating a bigger team to provide the maximum value for you, bratans. But this more for, I would say, advanced trade. Then decide if you want. If not, no problem, bratan. Thank you everyone for watching, bratans. And yes, don't forget, on Twitter you get short videos, and also YouTube Shorts, you get short videos. And if you want to see some funny stuff, and I show you also my trade, by the way, if you want to see some funny stuff, you can join me on slavik.ma4. There's comedy clips. If you lose all your money and all your life savings, all your wives, you can, yes, it's still open, because I'm quite confident that this relief rally will continue. Thank you everyone for watching. I kiss you, and Aave I will do also. A TA. No problem, bratan. Thank you everyone for watching. If you have any question, you can ask in Telegram group. There are other amazing traders which you can ask, or obviously in the private group there are also moderators which will